Hello again, everybody. Welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, there's a link down below in the description for this book if you want to solve along with me, or you can just find it on Amazon. I do receive a small commission for any of those sales. So let's start here today. We're missing a 1, a 4, and a 7. We've got a 1 there and a 4 there, so this is our 7, and that 4 means this is our 1, and this is our 4. For this box, we're missing a 2, a 7, and a 9. We've got a 2 and a 9 here, so this is our 7. Got a 9 there, so 2 and 9. If we do this row, we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 3 here, so this is our 6 and our 3. This row, we're missing an 8. Finish out this box, we're missing a 2 and a 7. And we've got no help there, so we'll put in our placeholders, 2, 7, 2, 7. All right, let's do this column, 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4. And this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. There's a 3 here. So 2 and 4. There's a 2 here, so 3 or 4, and no help here, so 2, 3, or 4. If we do this column, we're missing 4, 5, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here. Then also this 4 here. So this is our 5, this is our 4. Got an 8 there, so 9 and 8. And that 4 means this is our 2, 3, 4. Finish out this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this box, we're missing a 1, a 3, and a 5. We've got a 3 there, so 1 or 5, a 1 there, so 3 or 5, and nothing here, so 1, 3, or 5. Do this row, so we're missing 2, 5, 6, 7. We've got a 6 there, so 2, 5, 7. We've got a 5 there, so 2, 6, 7. We've got a 6, so 2, 5, 7, and a 2, so 5, 6, 7. Do this row, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 there, so 4, 5, 6. We've got a 5 there and a 4 there, so 6, 8. We've got a 4 there, 6, and 8. So this is our 5. Got the 4 there. So 6 or 8, but that means this is the only place our 4 can be in that row. All right, let's do this one. We're missing 2, 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 there. So 2, 7, 8. No help here. 2, 3, 7, 8. 3 and an 8 here, so 2, 7, and no help here, up except for that 2, so this would be 3, 7, 8. Up, we've got this 3 here, so that can't be there, so the only place in that row for our 3 is here. All right, let's do this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're missing 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got a 6 and an 8, so 5, 7. Here we've got a 7, and the 6 and the 8. So this has to be our 5, and this is our 7. So this is our 6, and this is our 8. So this is our 6. So we've got this 5 here, so we can get rid of that. We've got this 6. Alright, I don't see any other changes for now. Let's work on this box. We're missing a 1, a 4. We've got a 1 there, so 4 and 1. So then we can get rid of this 1 here, which means we have to have a 1 there. So we do this row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. There's a 6 there, so 8, 6. And so then we can get rid of this 8 here. So the only place the 8 can be in that row is here. Let's work on this row. We're missing 2, 3, and 5. So we've got the 3 up there. So 2, 5, and a 3 there. So 2, 5. So our 3 has to be here, which makes this our 5. So if we do this row, 1, 2, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. Got a 9 there, so 3 or 7. 3 and 9 there, so this is our 7, 3, 9. So this is the only place for our 5. So that makes this our 2 and this our 5. I think, let's see, 7 here. So 2, 7, which means 2, 7, 2, 7. All right, everybody, thank you again for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow with our next puzzle.